Yeah, it's actually nice, to be fair. So I bought a toiletry holder for the shower.
If I'd only realised
Hang on.
that could be a problem.
What?
Fixing it on them things.
This one?
Well, because the trouble, I'm going to be so careful putting the thing, because the plastic can chip on the cladding.
Oh.
It goes in corner like this.
It looks like that. So imagine.
It's only been fastened, going to be fastened with two. Is it?
It will be fine.
No, they only fasten it with two, anyway. Well, I'll just have to be super careful when we do it.
Yeah.
That's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks okay.
This will be in my little corner, and that'll be yours, and that'll be yours, I know. This is what I have to do.
Yep. All mine. We made a last minute decision to come here. Ito yung different branch ng Carpet Rite. So, titingnan namin ulit yung push. Titingnan namin ulit yung aming room. It's quiet. Yung vinyl na tinignan namin last time. Here.
There's another one, isn't it?
Is it? Is it that one or this one? Have a look. It is. No, that's not it.
No.
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 Take where you got a photo? You got the photo. So, yan yung presyo niya.
No, it's not as thick.
It's got 15-year warranty. It's up to you.
Yeah, but that's just fill that again. Well,
2
there's not a lot in them, to be fair. Yes.
Where can you see the thickness anyway?
Right there, we're looking at it.
No, I mean what it is actually. I think we're going with this mga palangga.
Let me just look at it.
But we're not so sure. We cannot make our mind. But why that's cheaper than this?
This is more pliable and softer, this.
But do you want the soft one?
Well, it is what it is, isn't it, you know? Don't like one anyway. No, I don't want squares.
No?
No.
So what you
This
thinking?
is thick as well, let me just...
That's only 10-year wear guarantee.
What?
Yeah.
10 year? What's the others?
15.
What?
Yeah, 15-year guarantee. And ano siya, 30 pounds. Pero kung 15-year residential wear guarantee, then sulit. Sulit din, di ba? You want everything to be right.
How much meat is that one?
30.
30?
29.99. So in the end, mga palangga, we go with this. Yan, ito yung Roma. 594. Okay. Yeah, instead of putting that in that corner.
We would have to go. Everything just went through though, doesn't it?
It's up to you. I prefer that one there.
I do. I prefer it here. How about
Yeah, that's enough.
that high enough?
High enough. Okay.
Looks alright that, you see, doesn't it? Black.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yes.
You go.
Hello, good morning mga palangga, it's good morning because kakagising ko lang from my night shift. So, I'll be doing my 3rd night shift tonight. So, the last one. And then I have 4 day off. So, at least medyo mahaba-haba yung day off ko. Anyway, ano na dito? 3 o'clock. I'm so pagod mga palangga, as in. So, I'm gonna prepare yung hapunan namin. So, pagkadating ko, nag-defrost ako ng pork. So, ito yung hapunan natin. Hello!
Hello.
So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko dyan, but we'll see. We'll see. Tulala moment mga palangga. No, nakihiwa ako ng mga vegetables. So, re-record sana ako. Pero, hindi ko siya na-click yung record button. So, anyway. Wala na ako magagawa. So, ang hiniwa kong ingredients, meron tayong red bell pepper, broccoli and cauliflower, and tapos may onion. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Yeah, I decided to have fries with it kasi wala kaming rice. Naubusan na ako ng rice, kaya no choice. Yan yung ano natin. Kasama sa ating ulam. Mas prefer ko talaga pag ganitong luto, rice yung kasama. Pero hindi ko pa alam kung kailan ako makakapunta sa Oriental Shop mga loves. Oh my God! I'm so sleepy. Tingnan nyo naman yung pagmamukha ko eh. Mga loves, help me to stay awake. Ito na yung hapunan natin. It's ready.
Ready?
Let's go eat.
Let's munch it.
Yep, let's go. Mukhang uulan mga loves ba? Tingnan nyo naman yung clouds, oh. Ay, naku. I hope hindi siya uulan when I set off. Kasi kung uulan, patay. Kailangan ko pa namang maglakad papuntang hospital. Hello! So, nasa bahay na ako mga palangga. I just done my 3rd night and I got 4 days off. So, ano pa lang dito, 7:44 ng umaga. Pinauwi ako actually ng medyo maaga, about 7 o'clock. So, supposedly matatapos kami 8. So, pinauwi ako. Which is good of them. Anyway, gagawa tayo ng pancake. Nagkikrave ako ng pancake. Hindi pa ako pwedeng matulog kasi meron akong hinihintay. Kasi meron akong nabenta sa eBay and he will collect the item. And sabi niya na he will be here before 11 daw. 11 in the morning. So, I need to be awake. Kaya, I need to keep myself busy. So, ito yung recipe na na-print out ko online. So, we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 600, no, not 600, oh, diba? Yung utak ko nagwa-blank na. 60 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, teaspoon of salt, and then 440 ml of milk, and then 60 grams of butter, and then vanilla, then egg. Okay. May mix ko lang yung butter ko. Babalikan ko kayo pag nagluto na tayo ng pancake. Ito na yung butter natin. And it smells so good mga palangga. So, pinapainit ko na yung ating kawali. Hindi pa mainit. I-sprayan ko siya ng ito. Wait lang, kukunin ko. Ito, i-sprayan ko siya. Itong pan na to kasi hindi na siya masyadong maganda mga palangga. Kaya, just to prevent it from sticking, I'm gonna spray this. Okay? Kinain ko na yung very first pancake natin. And I'm getting sleepy mga palangga. Sana lang talaga itong hinihintay ko. Sana hindi malate. Kasi kung malate ay nako. Iwan ko na lang talaga. Kasi yung mata ko humahapdi-hapdi na. So far, we have 3 pancake. 4 sana, pero yun ang kinain ko. Yum. Smells so good. Iwan ko ba kung ako lang ba kasi I'm hungry din. I'm sleepy, hungry, and yeah, this is why I'm gaining so much weight mga palangga. Dinahilan talaga yung night shift, no? Ay, nako. Excuse pa more. After nito, magsasampay ako ng aking uniform kasi nilabhan ko yung mga uniform ko, yung bottom lang and yung socks, yung compression socks ko. Sinisiparate ko kasi yung puti at yung bottom uniform ko kasi blue na blue yung bottom uniform ko at baka magkahalo yung kulay.
Oh my God, mga loves. Nakatulog ako ng kaunti. But I'm still so sleepy. Dibali, wala naman tayong pasok. So, makakatulog tayo ulit ng... Wala naman tayong pasok. So, makakatulog tayo ulit mamaya. I hope makatulog ako ulit mamaya kasi kung hindi parang oh my gosh, yung katawan ko nagna-night shift siya. Pipilitin ko. Oh my God, mga loves, I'm out of bed. Bare na bare talaga yung pagmumukha ko. Wala akong kilay ngayon and naglagay lang ako ng serum. And yung eye bags ko ang lalaki. That's the reality of my face. Ano ba yung kakainin ko? Ewan ko talaga. I don't know mga loves. Hindi ko matansya kung ano yung gusto kong kainin. Nakain ko yung pancake na luto kaninang umaga. Tapos magkakapila ako, magde-train 1 ako.